Ain't it just a beautiful sight? Alright, so today is Tuesday for us. We did not work on Monday because it rained. It rained about 3 inches. We have about a day left on this pine track that we're thinning. Then we got another patch up the road we're going to go get on. We've done loaded number 3. Y'all hear idling in the background. You're going to fix to see him pull out past us. We got 3 loaded so far. We're shooting for 12 today. Hopefully the rain stays down enough today that it's already misting. It's supposed to rain again tonight. Hopefully the rain don't fool with us too much and we can get this track finished, this part of the track finished today and out of here, and with no other major issues, because we're still cutting right beside the creek and the creek is coming up, but I think we're going to be okay on this side, but who knows. Look, there goes Michael. Michael getting his blade up. We're getting ready to rock and roll. Oh, them some bright lights. So y'all can see the wood starting right there where we had our shovel road built, going into the back there, which we got everything cut and processed out of the back. Michael is working on picking up the last little bit of the shovel road back there. So we're gonna watch Michael come by us here one more time. We're fixing to go get in the cutter, gonna get busy. We'll be back a little bit later. Show y'all what we got going on. You see Michael watch, he's gonna skid that. I thought he was fixing to scatter that trash right there. He's just watching me. Y'all see that trash? A lot of y'all ask what we do with our trash. What do y'all do with the trash? That's one of my big questions I usually get. Y'all can see Michael's tires getting muddy. It must be not very nice down there on the back side of that shovel road. But this is where our trash, 90% of it goes, is in the down or in the access to build a trash mat, as I call it. Kind of gives your skidder some foundation to run on top of the debris instead of running straight on the ground. It helps support the machine. The other 10% gets scattered out down the down roads as we're skidding. Alright, so it's a little bit later in the day now. See Matt going by on the Tigercat skidder. So this was Iceman's big surprise for y'all. He's went and bought him a big new shiny Peter. It ain't brand new. It's new to him. I don't know how many miles are on it. It's a really nice truck. I believe he said it was an 06. It's a Peterbilt. I believe he said that's a 379. I'm not sure. I'd have to go ask and everything. But anyway. So for you Peterbilt fans out there, we still keeping a Peterbilt truck around. See Mickey getting with it. This is going to be load number 6, 7. We just had an extra truck come by and grab a load. One of the benefits of being in a large subcontracted company like what we are, like our company is subcontracted through another company, if that makes sense. And there's like 17 or 19, something like that, crews. It's almost 20 crews a part of this big contract. And I don't know how many trucks are a part of all of this, but it is a bunch. So sometimes we can pick up extra loads by the dispatch sending extra trucks out that way. Now the wood quality has really fell off. It is almost Deliminator wood. Seriously, we should probably have the Deliminator set up, deliming that stuff, because it is so bad. I say so bad. It's not the worst. I mean, for second thinning, it's pretty raunchy. It's not the best for sure. Making do with it though. Like I said, that's number 6 being loaded, or 7 being loaded right there. So, trying to keep the daggone door out of the shot. I know y'all don't want to look at the door on the cutter here. So figure we jump up here real fast, show y'all Iceman's new truck. Let y'all watch Mickey deal him for a little bit. just as expected, the ground is working great. I mean, there's a few mud holes in places, but other than that, the ground is working extremely well. Super happy with the way the ground's working. Mickey even saying it's trashy wood. It's got a lot of vines in it. Golly, it's got a lot of vines in it. Y'all can see it's just got lots and lots of vines in it. And that, boys and girls, is why you don't stand near a cutter whenever they're working. You always stay, as that boom says, up yonder, keep back 300 feet. So we got everything set up. We're ready to rock and roll in this new set. This is the last set of the pine thinning track. We're gonna run both loaders in here, give Matthew something to do. It's a little bit better wood, looks to be a little bit thicker on the ground than where we just come from, so that'll help me out. But y'all can see the vines. The vines are still horrible here, horrible. But so Mickey's gonna need some help with the vines, so that's why we're gonna throw the other loader in here. And it's time for me to get busy cutting. All right, so we ended up getting 12 today. Pretty good day. You can see it's still raining. We only have to about noon left here tomorrow. And we'll resume this video in the morning and we'll finish this track out together tomorrow.